I'm a waitress at the coffee store, stuffing sketches into the apron I wore. After my shift, I'll be